Creating a faceless YouTube video starts with setting up your account easy. Just sign up, pick a catchy channel name, and add a profile picture that reflects your niche. Next, dive into niche selection. Think about what you love or what's trending, maybe tech reviews or cooking tips. Research keywords to find your audience. When it's time to create, use screen recordings, slideshows, or animations to keep it engaging without showing your face. Use vidIQ for keyword research to craft optimized titles and descriptions. Create eye-catching thumbnails using Canva with glowing effects and bold text. Publish your first video. Optimize your video with tags, descriptions, and keywords. Build engagement by replying to comments. Consider monetizing your faceless YouTube channel through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling digital products. If you don't have your own or any digital products to sell, check the step-by-step Canva done-for-you marketing guides and courses linked in the description to learn how to choose a niche, set up your channel, create content, and stay consistent. Subscribe for more tips, and thanks for watching.